We'll tell you how to permanently remove marijuana from your system in just 7 days. We'll also tell you the special trick to remove it from your system even faster. Let's go! Before we tell you what exactly to do, we need to explain the pathway of marijuana in the body. Knowing this will help to understand how the detoxification process works. THC is the main active component of weed. When you smoke or eat edibles, the THC ends up in the blood and starts its journey through the body. With the blood, it gets into the liver, where it is metabolized and excreted into the intestines and bladder. Then THC is removed with the urine and feces. The bad thing about this pathway is that with the blood, THC is transferred into body tissues and gets trapped by the fat cells. From the fat cells, it is continuously released into the blood, and then it is taken up by fat cells again. So even if you don't smoke, there's still THC in your blood. Another bad thing is that THC is absorbed back into the blood through the walls of the intestines and gets trapped by the fat cells, and so on. So it's hard for THC to leave the body. To completely remove it, you need to speed up each step of this pathway and prevent it from getting back into the blood. So you need to make your body burn more fat cells to release THC into the blood. You need to increase the metabolism of THC in the liver. You need to prevent the absorption of THC in the intestines. Here's what exactly you need to do, step by step. Step 1. Eat less. This will make your body use the fat cells for energy and release THC into the blood. You can calculate the required calories using the calculator we included in the description. You can use MyFitnessPal, Lose It, or any other app to count your daily calories. Step 2. Take St. John's wort. It will increase the production of drug-metabolizing enzymes in the liver, and thus increase THC metabolism speed. Step 3. Take 10 grams of activated charcoal daily. Activated charcoal binds to the THC in the intestines and prevents its reabsorption into the blood. Step 4. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Water helps to increase the speed of metabolism and remove THC from the body faster. You can also use the Green Fleet's Premium 7-Day THC Detox Kit. This kit contains ingredients that will help you increase metabolism speed and help to remove THC from your system in just 7 days. You can get this kit by following the link in the description. And here's the trick that will skyrocket the speed of your detoxification. Eat just once daily. This will make your body enter the intermittent fasting state. In this state, it will burn more body fat for energy and release THC. The second benefit of this trick is that it will make you eat fewer calories daily. These simple steps will help you clean your THC system much faster. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.